Welcome, the film is a Nokia 6.2 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app. So let's pull it up, and you'll have it right here or here. Tap on it, and from here you'll see all the contacts right now. So you want to tap on the three bars and go into the settings, where you should find on the bottom Import Export. So tap on the Import, and then you get two options. So we want to import from SIM card, tap on OK. And here you will have all the contacts that you have. Now it looks like they are already imported, I believe. So yeah, there is only one number that hasn't been imported, but number one you have saved to, and you will have these two options only if you're logged into Google, and as you can see I am. So you can choose to either save it to your Google account or the device. So I'm just gonna choose the device, and here you will have all the numbers that you can move available by just toggling it on and off. But as I just said, there's only one for me that isn't the device. So once you have selected all the contacts that you wish to move, tap on the check mark right there, and you can see one SIM contact imported, and you're done. So that one SIM contact is now in here, and there it is. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.